Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got my first 13 fishing pole, and I'm gonna give you guys an honest review in today's video of what I think about it. Is it worth it, and everything, all that. So we are at the canal, and we're going to give you guys an honest review about it out of 5 at the end. So stick right in. Okay, guys. So we got down to the canal, and so I put a Abu Garcia reel on this. It works pretty good, and I just have a jerk bait on it right now. So we're gonna be seeing any fish biting today, and so this is my first 13 fishing rod, and so we're gonna see how it works. I like that. Not gonna lie, it's not bad. It has a very nice accuracy, tell you that. And so I got on a doorbuster deal on this one for about 20 bucks at Sportsman Wholesale, so shout out to them. Go check out their store. They have a bunch of different deals, but honestly, I like it. It works very nice. And its handle's not too long. It's medium heavy 7'1", 7'1". So this rod is. But honestly, so it's like 10 eyes, and they work very well. So. Testing it out. Okay. I'm gonna come down here. Ooh, that was nice and accurate. Ooh. Yeah.
You made a video?
Yep.
When you say loose Z, what kind of loose reels that? I mean, Abu Garcia?
Yeah, it's the Abu Garcia Maxi on 13 fishing rod.
My daddy got it.
Yeah, huh?
My daddy let me borrow it.
Nah, this is mine. Okay. So many weeds.
They keep him up, like this.
Yeah.
Just like this. Just 1, 2, 3 down, and then up again. Lift it up and then start over again. So go like this, look. It'll go down, you pull up. You
Yeah.
Go down, you pull up. Also gonna keep you going down. There's a lot of weeds. It takes almost like getting caught.
Okay. What happened? I'm gonna go get my scooter in a minute. Huh? It's good. Okay, so far this 13 fishing reel is working working really good. It's like very accurate and everything, so I'm very happy with the quality and everything. Scooter. And nice feeling and everything. Very happy with the purchase. Oh, almost. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
No? As soon as it feels, don't let it.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, about. Okay. Camera almost fell over. Fix that.
Nice cast.
Yeah. The cast is really far
Okay.
and accurate.
We'll keep the reel now.
Yeah.
I'll keep the cast in the reel.
What? Last bottle. Yeah. I guess the middle isn't really that deep. There's a bug. Where should we sit up? Here, I can see it. Prefer the fishing link. Alright. Do a little bit more. Okay, let's continue. Alright, guys. So I paused it a little bit so it doesn't take all the storage. This seems like a nice spot. Weeds aren't that high up. So let's go. Huh? See something? Is he still there? Yeah.
No far behind.
Yeah.
That's a little.
Oh, the bass ain't far behind. 'Cause I can't wait so bass season starts. It's coming late this year. 'Cause remember last year was in April. It's already halfway through May, pretty much. Still there? Yeah. Yeah, that's what happened to me around the middle. Yeah. Ooh, something's jumping. Okay. That'd be great. There's something right there. I saw something move. Oh, I got bit. I got bit. Go down a little bit. Weeds. Weeds, weeds, weeds. Yep. No. That was a gar. I'm pretty sure that was a gar. Huh? Yeah. I did. Yep. It looks like a gar was right here, and he like flipped it, and it went what? It went out of his mouth. Yeah. It looks like a gar. Dang it. Oh. I got that on camera. Yeah. See, I was like right here. Right as soon as he hit right here, he flipped and bam, he came off. Yeah. Oh, I just got bit again. Oh, that's weeds. Yeah, that was weeds. Look at that. Dead. Weeds. Okay. I'm gonna check the video real quick. I'm gonna pause it and check it. Okay. Yeah. So, got that on camera at least though. Yeah. On.
Ooh, a guard, yeah.
Got him.
Finally got him. There you go.
No, no, please. Oh, yes! Yes, you do! Yes! Yeah. We got him!
Yeah, that's the one that got away.
Yep, this is him.
There you go. Now get the pliers.
Yes!
Oh, you got no pliers? Good luck to you, buddy.
No, it's in the bottom, so we have to be able to get that out. We just have to hold his mouth, and then we'll get that out.
So show him. That's a Florida.
Woo!
Florida gar.
Yeah, it's a Florida gar. Whoa! First baitcaster.
There you go.
Baitcaster.
13.
Yep, with the 13 fishing.
All right, good job, buddy.
It worked.
Good job.
Woo! Woo! Yeah. First baitcaster fish. This is definitely being posted. Woo. Ooh. Calm down. Grab him by the tail. Hey, that kid, come here, hold my rod. Okay. Because I see where it is. It's like right underneath his mouth. It's not in his mouth. He like missed it, but then got on it at the same time.
I wish I could get rid of them, you know, so he's probably just chasing all the fish away. Let the line go. Let the line go.
Here. It's loose,
Like that?
so hold the line.
Go.
'Cause it's loose.
Step on where his gills are.
I have to step on his mouth so he don't bite me. Ugh.
You got a stick or something? No stick?
Huh?
Here, hold the rod. I got.
Wait, I almost got him.
Come.
Almost. Come on.
Push your back. Yeah, there.
Got it. Oh, yep.
All right. Hold it if you want.
Yeah.
Be careful, don't get bit.
Yep. Ooh. Just let him go. Yeah. Oh, no, maybe I could grab him.
Grab him by the gills. You know where the gills are at?
Huh? Where?
Underneath right here. Underneath right here.
Yeah.
He's gonna bite you. Right there, like that. Yeah, there you go. Hug him, hug him. Just grab him. There we go, like that. There you go. Hold him, hold him, hold him.
I just got him like this. It's the easiest way. Hold on, I got it.
I can't see him. Twist him to the side. Never mind.
Oh, no, he's still here. He's still here.
Wait. Never mind.
Oh, no, he's gone. I could try.
Try. Grab him quick, grab him quick. Now.
Got him.
All right. Okay. Don't put your feet like that. Right, hold on. Ready? Let's see. Ready? Okay.
Okay, let's get a nice safe release.
Let him go. Throw him up. Throw him.
Yep.
Oh, yes, Mr. Down, and then you switch whatever. You're going to make sure when I go on there. This is a little water. You're going to get into the water right. All right, that's it. There you go.
We did it!
See? Good job, Papi, with the bait cast.
Yes!
All right.
Woo! You send that to Mom? Yes! Nice, the rod. It works perfect for that. Because he's a fighting. We're on, again.
Oh, there you go. It's a lucky rod now.
Woo!
There you go, largemouth.
Yes!
It's a little largemouth. There you go, buddy. Close your eyes. This is good.
Yo, a 13 fishing rod.
13 fishing rod.
I did it again.
There you go.
This one I can actually hold better. Hold on, buddy. You'll be okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Yep, he's out. It's off. Around my fishing rod. Ooh, this one caught far out there. Nice little one. Take a picture.
The 13
13 fishing rod.
Hold it next to it.
Yeah.
Come on. Don't put your feet like no. There we go. There you go. Hold on, let me video. Ready?
Hey guys, we're out here down the canal and we just caught a nice little largemouth on a 13 fishing rod and Abu Garcia reel for jerkbait. We caught him farther out in the canal. Let's get a safe release
Now,
on
what
him.
kind of jerkbait you got in there?
Where'd
you get that jerkbait from?
Shein.
From Shein.
Yep.
So yeah, so it's a cheap, Shein, they cut fish. They catch fish. No matter, I mean, fish don't see the price.
They see the prey.
You know, they just see the prey, how you work it. You know,
Yep.
there you go, for an example.
Yep, so let's get a nice little release.
All right, thanks for playing, buddy.
Yep. Whoop.
All right. come on, catch one more, Bobby, because then we gotta go.
Yeah. Fishing 13.
They're moving in slowly, but they're moving in now.
Yeah, because that was a young one. Don't matter the price of the bait. It's how you use it. Let's try to catch. Come on, one more. One more. Dad, you know what that means? I earned my reel. I earned my new reel.
You got your reel. That's not a good reel.
Ah, I'm talking about the casting. The weird part is I was kind of like jigging it and pulling it. So I pulled it, and then the second time I like jig it.
Yeah.
Like little tugs.
That's what we telling you, a little tug. One goes fine.
Yeah, I'm not letting that largemouth get away.
That's what I'm saying. You know it's a large one, it's a large one.
Yeah. I was pulling it. Whew, rocks. See, because he kind of went into here. Make sure he's not back around. Catch another day. Like I had a good feeling about the 13 fishing rod. You know? Yep. And this is it. 2 fish. And that's yeah. Try to catch one more. This is a good video. Nice little largemouth that one was. Oh, I just got hit again. Oh. Yeah, it's weeded. My lure has weeds all over it. Get those weeds off. Not letting it swim. I'm happy I have my camera and I brought it and everything. Yeah? Definitely does. So send me that video, okay? I'm making YouTube short with that one. And then this one I'm gonna post the whole video, you know? Because I've been fishing for a little bit. Finally caught those. Well, I like jerk baits. They've been holding up to their name, you know? And you know what's even better too? My first 2 fish are a jerk bait. First 2 fish are bait caster and jerk bait. Yeah, I'm talking about jerk bait first fish with the jerkbait. Because my first bass was with worms.
Big one.
Yeah, the 5-pounder. You know what I just noticed, Dad? That spot where I just caught the 2 fish is the exact spot I caught my first largemouth. You hear me?
I'm on.
You're on? Yep. Here you go, you two. He's on. Come on. Fish you think it is? What's it fighting like?
Oh, no, he's not got away, gar.
Oh. It's okay. We have a second chance. Oh, that was a cross. I don't want that getting stuck. There you go. Now it's fine. Watch. Yeah, now I have weeds all over it. It's not going down. Yeah. Jeez. A lot of weeds. Nice little small largemouth. That was nice. Yeah. That cross was the cast the lake. You hear me? Cross the. Yeah. Oh, I just got hit. Probably. He just hit me. Oh, no. And he threw me in weeds. It was like right after he bit me. Because you could feel him. Because he started tugging. I was about to pull it and bam. You got another weed? A lot of them. Oh yeah, I almost got stuck on the weeds. That was weeds. Well, that's a good sign, Dad. Says they're coming back. Yep, and we're going to be catching them. And that's about to go across. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Okay, now we should be good. More to now. Huh? Oh, I think I got weeds on mine. Yeah, it's not going down. Yep. Okay. I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you all for watching. 13 fishing wrong worked great. 5 out of 5. Please like and subscribe.